Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another reaction video of Caffeine in Korea. Today's video, I'm going to react to a crew that I've never heard of before. I think they're called Ateez. I think that's how you pronounce it. For a track called I'm the One. I had this recommended to me by a friend who said, hey, look, if you're doing reaction videos, check this one out. And they know the type of music that I like anyway. So here goes nothing. I really don't know what to expect, but given the person who recommended this knows my taste, I'm assuming it's going to be an absolute banger. So let's get right into it. Okay, it's a bit of autotune. Great suit. Ooh. Love the bass. Oh, things are picking up. What the? Hey! Hold up. Let's take that back. That was hype. So good. So we're chill. The build up. Oh, that is so good. This is not even the best part. It gets even better. Insane of a drop. Insane of a drop. Pretty cool setting, by the way. Wow. Here we go. The build up again. The rap too. Woo! I love the aggression that's coming out of this hook here, and even like the build up has another build up before you even get to like where they start dancing and things start just unpacking and going crazy. The energy is off the roof. Oh, very dramatic. Very dramatic. You've got the hype, the hype hook. We're going into it, and now it's just the breakdown. quintessential in a K-pop song. You're telling me we're going straight into the build-up again? I'm for it. Let's go. Who's doing the vocals in the background? Again, the vocal is still there in the background. Who is doing the vocals? It's sick. Great outfits, by the way. The black and red. Oh, look at that. Sorry, I've got to take it back. I love these build-ups. What a track. Going into the repeat one, listening to this in the gym, listening to this on the drive. If I'm sleepy, I'm listening to this. If I'm awake, I'm still listening to this. Holy smokes, what a bunch of energy. If this is the stuff that these guys put out on a usual basis, big kudos. I might have to check out more of their stuff if it's like this. Wow, wow, wow. The energy, you know when you watch like a thriller movie and there's like a little bit of tension and then something like, boom, like something bad happens, the shooting goes on, somebody gets kidnapped, I don't know, something crazy happens. In this song, you had like a build up and you think, oh, here it is, boom, it's gonna hit. And then there's another build up and you're like, no, wait, that was the build up? I thought that was the main hook, the main thing. And then you get smashed with the dancing, the beat. The beats per minute was off the chart, and just the vocal, especially in the last part where they did their hook, the person who was doing the backup, holy cow. Yeah, all right. Going into the Spotify playlist. The Spotty can't even talk right now. Going into the Spotify playlist. Definitely a jam. Guys, pleasure. Absolute enjoyable reaction. I need to go eat something. That took all the energy out of me. Holy smokes, what a track. Anyways, with that being said, guys, wherever you're watching this video, I hope you guys have a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.